Is your IRA a steel trap or a pit of quicksand? Do you ever watch Beastmaster, that movie from the 1980s? That's what I always think about when I think of quicksand. Anyway, the uncomfortable truth is that it depends on the state of the stock market. And after years with boots on the ground, I'm talking with hundreds of investors, from newbies to the Kiyosakis of the world. Most investors think their IRA is a steel trap, not realizing how dependent that steel trap is on a booming stock market. This means that investors put their retirement money into a place that they have little to no control of, and they just hope for the best. They kind of sit back and just hope. But this is not the only way to build wealth for the future. The IRA, or the individual retirement account, was designed, it was built this way to force people to save money for the future by inflicting penalties on the account holder if the funds are withdrawn before the age of 59 and a half. They are a popular but volatile savings vehicle, since most IRAs are heavily invested in the stock market at the direction of your custodial bank that holds that account. Listen to this though. Further research shows that most investors don't really sit themselves in the driver's seat with their retirement funds. And when you had those volatile years between 2007 and 2009, it brought about one of the most dramatic market declines in history. Yet few investors reacted at all, didn't do anything about it. They just sat back and said, oh, I'm going to recover from it. It's garbage. According to the Investment Company Institute, and I'm quoting, despite dramatic declines in stock values between October 2007 and March 2009, a recession, and rising unemployment rates, traditional IRA investors with accounts from year-end 2007 through year-end 2016 showed little reaction to the financial events, according to this recent report. While many investors may calculate that their stock-based retirement accounts recovered since these years, the accounts certainly did not recover enough to account for lost growth over this incredibly volatile period. Furthermore, the current political climate suggests that volatility may be the new norm for the foreseeable future. Ups and downs in the stock market. Is that how you want to live? So, what is an earnest IRA investor to do? Perhaps it's time to rethink your IRA and think outside of the box. Your IRA does not have to be tied to the stock market, but most people don't know this because those custodial banks can't profit from non-market-based assets like real estate, and therefore they don't go out of their way to let you know this at all. Your IRA is full of your money that you can invest at your discretion. With a few exceptions, of course. You cannot invest in loans or businesses that directly benefit someone in your immediate family, such as your children, your spouse, or your parents. You can't invest in life insurance or collectibles, such as comic books or art or jewelry. You cannot invest in an asset that you're going to use in your current life, such as a vehicle or your primary home. But you can invest in investment real estate. So besides those restrictions, your IRA money is yours to grow or not. That's why we at Morris Invest suggest investors take a hard look at these assets and the fees of their IRAs, and perhaps teach themselves to do better with a self-directed IRA. That's why my team can set them up in 10 minutes for you. Self-directed money is different than an IRA at a Wall Street bank, and that you decide where the money is invested. So if you want to invest in a local bakery, you want to invest in local organic farming, buy an investment real estate property. That is your business and it's your option. But you must be the driver of your IRA in a way that most people are not accustomed to. It takes a little bit of education, but you can explode your wealth if you're smart about it. Rolling your IRA over to a custodian that allows you to self-direct, or it's simple and quick and take 10 minutes. Once that's done, it operates just like any other IRA with an online account, so you can see your balance. Bank fees are also far more clear, and that they're not based on trades and commissions, but rather flat fees on transactions that you make. You buy a business, flat fee. At Morris Invest, we believe real estate is a wonderful asset to be held inside of an IRA. And we can assist you with the learning process, but ultimately, we want your wealth to be in your hands. And we want you to have the knowledge to make the choices that are best for you. We don't believe that you should hold on and wait to see what happens with the stock market and ups and downs with your money, okay? That's not how you should be living, but rather we want you to steer the ship. I want you to go out there and take action and become a real estate investor. I believe it's the number one way to build wealth, and a powerful, powerful wealth building tool to have that piece of real estate inside of a self-directed IRA with tax-free income from your tenants every month, and then you take that money out when you're 59 and a half, tax free. It's a powerful, powerful tool, folks. Book a call with our team today and we'll take care of you. And you can watch the other videos in our self-directed IRA series to help you on your road to success. We'll see you next time.